Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 5th November 2024. At a time when the government is considering Vodafone Idea's request for a waiver of spectrum bank guarantees, Bharti Airtel has asked the Department of Telecommunications or DOT to treat all players equally irrespective of their financial health. In a letter to the DOT, Airtel said it supports the proposed waiver, but any regulatory reform must have a non-discriminatory framework across all telecom companies without considerations such as the financial health of particular operators. Vodafone Idea has cited its financial challenges while seeking help from the government in terms of waiving the need for bank guarantees to protect spectrum payments, a move which it expects will allow banks more headroom to extend credit to the struggling telecom company. Many companies are using the PAN number of a customer and use the income tax department's backend systems to access the customer's full name, address, phone number, and many such details. To combat this, the Union Home Ministry through the Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center has asked to shut down any unauthorized use of PAN of Indian citizens by fintechs and other consumer technology companies. Bharat Forge has emerged as the lowest bidder in an estimated Rs 7,000 crore deal for advanced towed artillery gun systems developed by DRDO for the Indian Army. The order is likely to be split in the ratio of 60 and 40 between Bharat Forge and Tata Advanced Systems Limited, the two developmental partners for the indigenous guns. The National Company Law Appellate Tribunal has reserved its order on Jai Prakash Associates Limited appeal against the National Company Law Tribunal's order to admit the company into insolvency. Jai Prakash Associates Limited argues its debt was restructured, making the default date cited by ICICI Bank invalid. The IBBI has collaborated with the Indian Banks Association or IBA to facilitate the auction of assets under the liquidation process through the eBCRE platform, which is presently owned and managed by PSB Alliance Private Limited. eBCRE has been conducting auctions for assets mortgaged to public sector banks under the SARFAESI Act for the past 5 years. Accordingly, PSB Alliance has developed a module within the eBCRE platform to facilitate the listing and auction of assets under IBC. This centralized platform offers detailed information on corporate data assets, including photographs, videos, and geographical coordinates. By enhancing transparency and efficiency through advanced technology, eBCRE aims to increase bidder participation, streamline operations, and maximize returns for creditors while improving outcomes for bidders. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.